Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Velar aerodynamic HSE D300. This car is next due for a service in October 21 and has previously had only 2 owners. As you can see, you have privacy glass, 21-inch alloys with a gloss black finish, giving the car a sporty appearance, a powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full, along with plenty of space there in the boot, but you can also put the seats down if you need more room. You also have keyless entry, so if I lock the vehicle, I can open it and also lock it just by pressing that button, which is useful if your key's in your pocket. Aerodynamic tread plates and a lovely ebony leather interior, which is definitely easier to clean than cloth. A sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice on a sunny day like today, or just for a bit of fresh air. And you also have a sunblind which will pull all the way across, depending on your preference. Different driving modes depending on where you're driving or the weather. Grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts and sand. And you can also change the suspension, whether you want it higher for off-roading, in the middle for just general driving, or lower to make it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. Heated and cooled front seats, perfect for winter and summer. And you do also have massage seats, which is a real luxury to have and makes each journey more relaxing. Touchscreen with a rear camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect to your phone. Eco data, which tells you how well the car is being driven, for example if you're braking too hard. Along with Bluetooth. Controls on your wheel, a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer and easier. A heated steering wheel, which is really nice on a cold winter morning. Memory seats, useful if there's several people driving the vehicle. And a Meridian sound system, which just makes each journey more enjoyable. This car has done 48,068 miles. Stepping back outside the car, that was a gorgeous Range Rover Velar. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.